Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, how many hours are equal to 2700 minutes? As in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. Hence, if in means 2700 minutes equals to 2700 divided by 60 hours. Now cancel this 0. 270 divided by 6. 6 4s are 24. 27 minus 24 is 3. Move this 0 down. 6 5s are 30. So here it is 45. Hence 45 hours equal to 2700 minutes.